Hi, welcome to my practice. This is Dr. Dean and Lauri Kane. As you may know and have probably been to my office, during the last 35 years, I've been in the community practicing cosmetic surgery. But I've also, during the last 15 years, developed a unique form of artwork called photo sculpture, using photography in various styles and developing it, and I've accumulated it in my office. And at this time, I'm ready to sell it off, so I hope you will come in.
We are excited to invite you to a very special open house of Dean's artwork. It's going to take place on November 13th, a Sunday, from 2 to 5. The good news is it's a Ravens bye week, so no game is going to compete with you coming to our open house. It's going to be a very special event in which Dean is actually going to give a personalized walking tour and description of all the different pieces in the office. So you get to understand the story of why he created that piece, what he was thinking about, and then you get to understand Dean, the person, and so you get to know him a little better and personalized. At the event, I'm excited that my piano teacher, Robert Hitz, who's a phenomenal piano player, will be playing music throughout the event. And we'll have wine and cheese. It's going to be a wonderful afternoon. So this is also a celebration of something that we are now announcing. We're trying to find a wonderful balance in life as we've gotten a little older. And we have decided to reduce, or Dean has made the decision that he's ready to reduce the amount of surgeries he's doing, but he wants to really continue his love of injectables, sculpture, fillers, Botox, his thread lifts. So we're still here for you. We're just not going forward with the surgeries that we did in the past. And if you're still interested, we're doing surgeries through the end of this year. After that, we're celebrating a new change, a new balance.
A new chapter in our life.
New chapter. So we're here just kind of focusing on the injectables. All right, we hope that you will join us on November 13th. Leading up to the event, we will be sending weekly emails, sending out the different pieces of art that is actually going to be on sale throughout that event.
And many more pieces too.
Yeah, and you will, part of that, in that email that you'll get, there'll be short little videos that describe each of his pieces. So stay tuned to the weekly email blasts that are going to come on Thursdays, and stay tuned to the event. If you know you're going to come to the event, please RSVP as soon as possible. It's going to be limited, and you need to call the office at 410-602-3322. You could also email me directly, Lauri, Lauri, at drdeankane.com. This is also a great time if you're thinking about a special holiday gift and you want to give yourself a gift or another person a gift. We'll have small pieces as well as large pieces as holiday gifts. So it's a perfect time for an event. Join us.
So thank you for supporting us. These are gifts and very unique pieces from our home to your home.